Wow, guys, I'm on my way home and I can't get to my house because there is a bad accident. Whoa, yeah, this is pretty bad. I'm not gonna turn around like them. I'm just one turn, one right turn away from getting. Whoa, that is bad, guys. So I'm just gonna pull over and go up and get a close. Whoa, I assume the ambulance is on the way. Whoa, I'm just gonna park right here because I live right. I'm just all I gotta do is make a right turn and I'm home. But yeah, somebody's life. Oh my goodness. Let me go out and see if I can get a closer look, guys, without being, without appearing to look nosy. Oh no. Oh no. This look like heads on. Everybody all right? No ambulance coming, so. Wow, that's bad. Man, dude, I'm just one turn away. I live right in this lot. That's why I didn't turn around.
I walk in the same property.
I can walk right here.
I walk in the water edge.
I was just head off. I live. Oh man.
They be drinking and driving. That sucks.
Oh no.
Next to us.
Man. Ooh, that wheel shattered. Ooh, the guys. That was a hard collision. I just hope everybody's okay. Nobody's laid out, so I assume there's no fatality. Oh no. Yep, if you're not paying attention, just say you on that you on your cell phone or something, not paying attention. Guys, even I'm guilty of that. So here comes the ambulance now. These people might as well turn around. Wow, look at that wheel. Disintegrated. I never seen a wheel do that. Wow. The whole suspension came apart. Yeah, that had to be a hard impact. Yes, so it is an ambulance coming. Oh, that's a fire truck. So no ambulance needed? A collision like this? Now the airbag is deployed, but let me see something. Yeah, the airbag is deployed. Oh, I see blood. Wow, guys, I see blood. So somebody got hurt. The passenger and the oh, they're looking for witness. I'm not one because I just got off work. Oh, look at this clown. Wow. Oh, yeah, his arm is hurt. That guy right there in the red. Yeah. I was wondering where the blood came from, so he must have been the driver. Man, if he drunk, he done. Oh, these the firemen, not really. Cause we can squeeze through here.
No, but he don't want you to take or give us a ticket.
Oh no.
Yeah, you gonna be alright.
Which one? That's the car that she was driving? Who gonna get the ticket?
I think this one gonna get a ticket.
That's a curve, man. You gotta be paying attention when you're going around the cell phone and oh my god.
Yeah. I'll walk over here.
I can't believe she's not hurt. Like she's okay.
No.
A back
Somebody
up.
was doing some shit. I was driving.
I don't know, man. I just was behind him. I seen this shit crash, boy. I'm a military veteran, 2 times direct. There's fluids everywhere.
You're checking his blood pressure.
No, they not blood pressure. They need a drug test.
Dude, just be quiet, man. Wow, how you gonna pull that off? He's just running through the debris. They don't care, boy. Oh, he just gonna winch it up. No big deal. Uh-oh, here I'm at. What? Finally, ambulance. I mean, somebody else. I think you almost have to call an ambulance or something like this happened. It took them a long time to get here. Wow. What's she mad about? There you go. He's just winching it up. Wow. Oh, they're just gonna drag that one up. Oh. They damn sure don't care, that's for sure. Whoa. Why did he let it up? Why did he let the ramp? Oh, oh wow, that's that. That's pretty cool. Now I can go up straight. Alright, I see what's happening. So nice. Alright guys, look what we can finally get through now. So I'm gonna head on to the house, man. Like I say, no fatalities, which is a good thing, because that sure looked like it could have went for a couple of fatalities, but no fatalities. Good thing, good thing, good thing. Alright, guys, I'm out. That's all I have.